If you want a great, low-cost way to whiten your teeth at home, I have a solution for you. You can make your own effective white strips with simple ingredients whenever you need them. This way you can avoid buying expensive store-bought ones which use the same main ingredient. To make your own strips, you'll need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, and parchment paper. It's really quite simple. First, mix the baking soda and the coconut oil together in a bowl until you have a paste. Then add the hydrogen peroxide to the mixture and stir it until it's well combined. The coconut oil will help to keep the peroxide from irritating your teeth. Then cut a strip of parchment paper to fit your teeth. Apply the paste onto the strip, making sure to spread it out evenly. Place the strip on your teeth and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Try not to get the paste on your gums. And after you remove the strip, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. You can use these strips on both your upper and lower teeth if you wish, and repeat the use once a week until you have the results that you want. Now, isn't that easy? We have a lot more videos with natural tips that you'll enjoy. Check out our channel and subscribe so you'll see each new one when it's published. You don't need to miss any of our tips to feel good naturally.